Assalamu alaikum friends, hope you will be fine, and today our lecture is class. Class, not clause. In English word clause. Clause is combination of word that makes us a sentence. It consists of a subject and predicate. It can also be said that a clause should have a subject and a verb. Now take a look at the definition of clause given at different dictionaries. To understand what clause is, according to the Oxford Learner Dictionary, a clause is defined as a group of words that include a subject and a verb and form a sentence or a part of sentence. The Cambridge Dictionary defines a clause as a group of words consisting of a subject and a finite form of a verb. A clause is a group of words containing a verb according to the Quilling Dictionary. According to the Merriam-Webster Dictionary, a clause is defined as a group of words containing a subject and predicate and function as a member of a complex or compound sentence. Now the type of clause: main clause or independent clause. The second is subordinate clause or dependent clause. Okay, first of all, we discuss about main clause or independent clause. A main clause is a group of words with a subject and a verb. It is a one that can stand alone and make complete sense. That is why it is called as independent clause. The second is subordinate clause or dependent clause. A subordinate clause is a group of words that consist of subject, a verb, and a subordinating conjunction or relating pronoun. Unlike main clause, subordinate clause cannot stand alone or convey complete meaning when taken separately from the sentence. It is a part of dependent clause can be divided into two types based on their function. The type of dependent clause are noun clauses, adjective clauses, adverb clauses, conditional clauses, relative clauses, comparative clauses, verbless clauses, and complementary clauses. Example of how it is used: clause in a sentence. Clauses can be placed in the different part of sentence. Take a look at the following example. So I can describe: I know how to drive a car, but I enjoy riding bikes. First clause. The second is today is Wednesday. This is also a clause. The third is I was not keeping well. So I took a day off work. When I meet you, I did not think we would get this close. It was my sister's birthday yesterday. Example of dependent clause. After we reached home, we watched a movie. Okay. Everybody know the boy who won the best outing student award. While we were waiting at the bus stop, we saw a monkey snatching a snack from a little boy. Tough Malcolm did not find the movie interesting. He stayed until the end of movie. Okay. The next is about class question which arised. What is class? Question number first. A class is a combination of words that makes up a sentence. It consists of a subject and predicate. It can also be said that class should have subject and a verb. The question number second arises: what is the definition of class? So, according to the Oxford Learner Dictionary, a clause is defined as a group of words that include a subject and a verb and form a sentence or a part of sentence. The Cambridge University Dictionary defined as clause as group of words consisting of subject and finite form of verb. A clause is a group of words containing a verb. According to the Collin Dictionary, according to this Merriam-Webster Dictionary, a clause is defined as a group of words containing a subject and predicate as function. The question number three is: what are the types of class? There are two types: main class or subordinate class. So question number four gives some example of class. I know how to drive a car, though Malcolm did not find the movie interesting when I meet you. So this was our topic. Hope you understand. Inshallah, in the next lecture we will discuss some another topics on English. Friends, if you like my video, then subscribe my channel, please. Goodbye.